What do you want, honey? You want the Pete's?
Yeah.
What do you want? Show me. What's it called? Pizza?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll have some pizza then. This is only like your second time of having pizza. Maybe y'all kids just love it. Are you getting up? Careful of your head. Show me what you want. Mmm, pizza. Is there pizza in there? Open it up. Pizza! Nummies! Nummies!
Wow.
Nummies!
Yummy. Yum.
Mmm.